Welcome back to Brailsford Woodworks. Today I've been commissioned to make a 24 by 15 inch teak cutting board. So I've already glued up my boards, and the first thing I'm going to do here is plane them down using my Woodpecker's Rout-N-Plane jig. So this jig really is a game changer for me in doing extra large cutting boards. This is making it far, far easier for me. So in the case of this board, I have glued up two large boards, and I am now planing both of them where I can then cut them into strips and get them glued up into a cutting board. And this will finish up the second board.